Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LEDS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another solid day here, higher highs and higher lows, and that is the name of the game. Now, I suppose for some, depending on your strategy, meaning if you're a day trader and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within, 7 minutes, well, then from that perspective, yeah, the chart does not look very good at all. But assuming you do care about the big picture point of view, then the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build those higher bases. And the first level now to watch moving forward would be that former breakout area, which sits right here around the 1865 mark, and that would be the ideal area, meaning if you're like, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Well, yeah, ideally, if the price can stay above 1865, that would be a fantastic sign of power. Now, if the price falls below there, does not mean that the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that, because you still do have that purple line down there, the 50-period moving average. But yeah, certainly if the price can stay above 1865, that would be a very, very impressive sign of power moving forward. Now, if the price does try to curl back upwards and return back to those highs, first key level of resistance to watch very closely, going to be right up there at the $24 mark. And then after $24, next key general area after that would be right up there around 28. So keep around those couple of roadblocks moving forward. Like I said, if there is any sort of attempted turnaround back in the upwards direction. But all in all, like I said, to just make it very clear, assuming you care about the grand scheme of things, assuming you're not a day trader that bought right there, then yeah, the overall chart, bigger pullback, sure, but still plenty of opportunity to ultimately chip away and build a higher base, and that's what it's all about. So as long as the price keeps on building those higher bases, then everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking those levels of resistance. So let's see how this one continues to play out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.